a very warm greeting to you. I hope all you enthusiasts are taking the required measures to keep yourselves safe during this situation of COVID 19 and are also keeping a close eye on the frequent draws and their cutoffs regarding Canada PR. The increased number of draws and lower cutoffs directly indicate that Canada is open to issuing invitations even during this pandemic of COVID 19 and making it the best time for you to file your application. And this is exactly why I am addressing you today. I am Pankuri Luthra and I have been associated with the immigration as an immigration advisor. Now, when you talk about Canada, one of the most prominent and desired provinces in terms of settling in is Ontario. Ontario is the country's most populous province and is the manufacturing and trade center with extensive linkages to the northeastern and midwestern United States, and thus is the most desirable province to settle in. So let us find out about the various gateways offered by the province of Ontario for permanent residency. The Ontario Immigration Nominee Program (OINP) allows foreign workers, international students and others with the right skills, experience and education to apply for nomination for permanent resident status in Ontario. This program is operated by the Ontario government in partnership with federal government through IRCC, designed to help Ontario meet its labour market and economic development needs. OINP is made up of 3 categories and each category is divided into further streams. The first category is employer job offer category, wherein you must have a full-time and permanent job offer from an Ontario employer to qualify. The second is the business category, which specifically caters to entrepreneurs from around the world outside of Canada and who are looking to implement a new business idea or to buy and grow an existing business in Ontario. And the third category is human capital, which has 2 subcategories: the international graduate stream and Ontario's express entry stream. To qualify under international graduate stream, you must have a master's or a PhD degree from Ontario University and apply within 2 years of receiving the degree. Furthermore, to qualify under Ontario's express entry stream, you must have a profile in the federal government's express entry system and receive a notification of interest from Ontario. In order to be eligible for Ontario express entry stream, you must have a valid express entry profile in the federal express entry pool and have a minimum score of 400 CRS points. After you receive your notification of interest, you may submit an online application to the OINP if you qualify under Ontario Express Entry Stream, for which your NOI was issued. You must submit an application within 45 calendar days of receiving your notification of interest. So far, this year, OINP has issued roughly 4,500 notifications of interest till date. In fact, the latest draw was on 3rd July 2020, wherein 532 nominations were provided to candidates with 1 year or more of foreign work experience, that is outside of Canada, with a CRS score range of 471 to 500. So in a nutshell, as an international skilled worker, it is possible to receive a notification of interest from Ontario provided you have a valid express entry profile, have a CRS score above 400 and most importantly have your NOC in demand. I hope that with the insights provided, I was able to help you gain an overview of how OINP works. For any assistance regarding your Canada PR, please feel free to write to us at info@vinigroup.com or call us at our toll-free number 1800 419 3242. Thank you so much.